special thank you for you who chose to join today on Cookie's Kitchen. Today we are making some dry fry matumbo. And guys, this is a very amazing recipe. So first step, you're going to add in your matumbo, add in ginger. This will help soften and make the matumbo tender. That's the secret to enjoying your matumbo, guys. I also added some salt. I let it boil. And now the water is dried up and we are going to add in our cooking oil, guys, and get into the recipe now. This is where the fun is. So I'm going to remove the ginger, then add in the cooking oil. And I just want them to turn golden brown, so I'm going to fry them. Ooh, look at the outcome. Next thing, add in your onions and let it cook. The onions will actually cook so well. This is a very simple recipe. The next, I am going to add in my capsicum. I grated them. That's half actually. Next, I added one Royco beef cube. This is just for the flavor. You can choose not to. Then I'm going to let my Royco cube really cook nicely and incorporate nicely with the matumbo. And it has done so. I know it has now blended in nicely. And guys, can you imagine that's the recipe? We're going to garnish our food with some dania and it's a wrap. It's a wrap. And now you can enjoy your dry fry matumbo as simple, quick and easy as that. Definitely delicious. Look at that. Served mine with some greens and some ugali, and that was a beautiful day for me. Hope you're gonna try the recipe. Tell me in the comment section. I'd love to know how your outcome was. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys.